Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Esure Review My Usage Experience. Esure Review My Usage Experience appears to be a platform for users to share and access reviews and ratings of Esure insurance products. This service targets individuals looking to purchase insurance from Esure and want to research other customers' experiences before making a decision. Key features likely include a searchable database of reviews, filtering options, and possibly the ability to submit your own review. Their website likely provides details about Esure's various insurance offerings. The benefit of using this review service lies in its potential to provide transparency about Esure's performance and customer satisfaction. By aggregating reviews, it could empower potential customers to compare experiences and make more informed decisions. This can be particularly helpful when choosing between different insurance providers. It's assumed that the platform would be free to use for anyone looking for information. Availability should be worldwide, as long as you have internet access. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Esure Review My Usage Experience. I was shopping around for car insurance and a friend recommended checking out reviews of Esure, so I stumbled upon this platform. Getting started was straightforward. I simply navigated to the website through a search engine. The interface is clean and user-friendly. I started by searching for reviews of Esure's car insurance policies. The platform allowed me to filter reviews by policy type, which was helpful as I was specifically interested in comprehensive coverage. I also appreciated the ability to sort reviews by date or rating. I spent about an hour reading through various reviews, both positive and negative. I found the detailed experiences shared by other users to be quite insightful, especially regarding claim processing and customer service responsiveness. The platform also highlighted a summary of ratings, showing the overall average customer satisfaction score for different policy types. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed breakdown of experiences provided by each review. It felt like a genuine reflection of what I could expect as a potential Esure customer. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, as I primarily browse on my phone. It worked fine on the mobile website, but an app would have been more convenient. I didn't have any reason to contact customer support, so I can't comment on their responsiveness. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Esure Review My Usage Experience. It provided me with valuable insights into Esure and helped me make a more informed decision about my insurance needs. While a mobile app would be a nice addition, the website served its purpose well. That's my overview of Esure Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.